A compact drone with 4K dual cameras, brushless motors, optical flow hovering, and obstacle avoidance? Today, we're testing the S177 RC Drone. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're reviewing the S177 Drone, a foldable mini quadcopter designed for beginners and casual aerial photography fans. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out.
First impressions, the S177 looks sleek and surprisingly premium. Compact foldable design, lightweight and portable, durable alloy structure, pressure-resistant body. Folded down, it's small enough to fit into a backpack easily. Perfect for travel and outdoor fun. Now let's talk about the camera. The S177 comes with 4K HD dual camera setup, Wi-Fi FPV live transmission, real-time aerial viewing, and mobile app connectivity. You can capture photos, videos, wide aerial shots, and first-person FPV flying experience. And for a budget drone, the footage actually looks decent in daylight.
This drone includes several beginner-friendly smart features: optical flow positioning, altitude hold mode, headless mode, one-key controls, 360-degree stunt rolls, trajectory flight mode. You can even draw a flight path on your phone screen, and the drone will follow it automatically. That's pretty fun for casual flying.
One of the best upgrades here is the brushless motor system. Compared to regular motors, quieter flight, better durability, improved stability, and more efficient power usage. This helps the S177 feel smoother and more controlled in the air. Battery and flight test. Flight time is around 14 to 15 minutes per battery. Control range is approximately 120 to 150 meters. For a mini foldable drone, that's pretty decent. The optical flow hover also helps beginners keep the drone stable during flight.
In real-world use, the S177 feels designed for beginner drone users, casual content creators, outdoor entertainment, basic aerial photography. It's simple, fun, and easy to control, even if you've never flown a drone before. So, should you buy the S177 drone? Compact and foldable, brushless motors improve flight, stable hover features, fun FPV experience, beginner-friendly controls. But camera quality is not professional level 4K. Wind resistance is limited outdoors. Battery life could be longer. Still, for a budget mini drone, it packs a lot of features into a small package.
That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.